Today is October 20th, 2010. We have Thomas in the front seat, John in the back of this 1945 North American-built SNJ-6, also known as a T-6 Texan, or the Harvard. This aircraft was used as an advanced fighter trainer during World War II. This particular airplane we're sitting in was built in May of 1945, and it was used as an instrument at Pensacola Naval Air Station. Today we're going out for a 30-minute flight out of Kissimmee, Florida. Pretty nice day for it. Got some clouds out there, but they shouldn't be too much of a factor. The engine's warmed up. Watch your legs. I'm going to bring the stick all the way back. I'm going to wiggle the rudder pedals, make sure the tail wheel steering isn't looking right, looking left. We're clear. I'm going to start adding power. And we're going to start heading out. There we go, alright.
Temperature 20, dew points 16, altimeter is 299. In use, landing runway 15. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Victor. Bravo and Delta.
Ground Texan 2, orbit of interest, taxi with Victor. Finals clear. Our runway is going to be clear. He's a touch and go. He's off in the air now. Flips my mechanic. I'm going to adjust the squelch on the intercom. It's going to be difficult to talk till we're in the air. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with some right aileron. That's going to help with the torque from the engine. I'm going to start advancing the power now. 36 inches of manifold pressure. 2,250 RPM. I'm keeping it straight with my feet. Start bringing the stick forward about right there. We're going to fly the tail off the ground. About right there is where I'd like to hold it. A little bit of right aileron now. We're just going to fly right into the air. Just like that. We're going to hold the nose about right there. Landing gear is coming up. We're going to reduce power now. 30 inches of manifold pressure. 2,000 RPM initially. Alright, Thomas, you have the airplane. Okay. Just hold the nose right there in relation to the outside world. We'll climb about 120. One more power reduction here, 28 inches of manifold pressure. 1,900 RPM.
Texan 2, that traffic ahead of you is going to be right close. Traffic, just target turn to the southwest outside him, please.
62, copies. Alright, right turn. There we go. How's that?
That was good.
Okay, you have the airplane.
Yeah.
We have the airspeed. Go ahead and just start pulling back on the stick. Keep raising that nose. Stop right there. That's not all the way. All the way over. There you go. Hold it over there. Keep it going. And stop. Neutralize the rudder.
Yeah.
And let's recover from the dive. We're going to raise the nose above the horizon. There we go. That way we can use some of that excess airspeed, and we'll go use that to climb. All right, how was that? Loop?
Yep.
Okay. I have the airplane?
Yep.
We're going to pull some G's on this one, about 3.5 G's, so when I tell you to, you want to hold it. Stomach muscles.
Okay.
To help counter the G-forces so you don't fall asleep. Because if you want to fall asleep in an airplane, you can do that on the flight home, right? Here we go, 190. Take a deep breath. Here we go. Coming over the top, I just kind of hold the stick about right there. We're going to have less G's here. Hold it. And we're just going to nice and gently raise that nose slightly above the horizon, which is about right there. We'll hold it, and we're going to climb back up. All right, you have the airplane.
Oh, okay.
We'll keep the nose up. There we go. Keep that nose up. All right, let's go ahead and lower the nose. We're going to dive to 190. There you go. There's 190. Take a deep breath. Start pulling back on the stick. Pull back hard. Pressure. Just hold the stick right there. We're just going to kind of come right over the top, just like this. Take another deep breath. And start pulling back on the stick. A little bit of left rudder. And raise the nose. Release the back pressure. There you go. Nice job. Turn. We'll do a left 180. Keep the nose up though. A little steeper. Alright. You want to do a reverse Cuban 8?
Yes.
Okay, that's going to be, keep the turn going. That is, we pull back on the stick till we're 45-degree nose up. And then we do 1/2 of an aileron roll, followed by just over 1/2 of a loop, the last half of a loop. And then we do it again 2 times in a row, okay?
Okay.
Pretty fast pace. I'm going to demonstrate the first half. I'm going to hand control over to you mid-maneuver. You're going to fly the second half, okay?
Yep.
All right, I have the airplane.
Yep.
So we're going to dive on down here to about 180. There we go. We're going to raise the nose. It's up. A little bit of right rudder as we go nose up. We're going to hold the nose right there. So we're going to hold it, hold it, hold it. Now here comes the roll. Stick all the way over, some left rudder. Once we get upside down, we neutralize everything. Then we just start pulling back on the stick. Here comes some G's. Okay, you have the airplane. Keep pulling back. We're going to raise the nose. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. More, 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 more. Keep pulling. We want 45-degree nose up. Hold it right there. Stop. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And there you go. And stop. Start pulling back on the stick. Release some back pressure. Raise the nose. And hold it right there. There you go. How was that?
Yeah, that was good.
All right. Let's do a right turn. There you go. You want to do some more?
Whatever. Yep.
Okay, let's do a barrel roll.
Yep.
All right, I have the airplane.
Yep.
Barrel roll. We do it a little different from everybody else. We don't do, because some guys like to swing the opposite direction. Like if we're doing a barrel roll to the right, they like to go to the left a little bit, then to the right, or vice versa. We don't do that. We just start from one heading, we'll end up on another upside down and back to the original heading. Basically, it's like an aileron roll, only we're not going full deflection initially. We also, once we start pulling back on the stick, we continue that pull throughout the whole maneuver. So the airplane just does this nice corkscrew through the sky. We're going to dive to 180. We're northbound right now. Okay. We're going to do it to the left. Left's clear. So, there's 180. I'm going to start pulling back on the stick. We're going to continue the pull. Once the nose is about 40 degrees up, we're going to start rolling to the left. And we're going to continue the pull. We're slowing down, so I'm going to need more left aileron. There's westbound right there. Back to north. How's that?
Oh, that was...
Okay, you have the airplane. We have a bunch of airspeed. Let's go ahead and try that. Not quite so... Little, keep pulling, keep pulling. Now start rolling left, but pull back on the stick at the same time. There we go. Start releasing some aileron, a little bit of right rudder, and recover from the dive. We'll go nose up. Very good, very good.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, you still doing good?
Yeah, it's good, good. Really good.
You want to do a Cuban 8?
Yeah.
Okay. That's like that reverse Cuban 8, only a little different.
Yep.
Instead of the roll first, we're going to do the loop part first, so followed by 1/2 of a roll. So we'll do the same thing. I'll demonstrate the first half.
Yep.
I'll hand it over to you, then you do the second half. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. I have the airplane. This time we're going to dive down to about 200. So we really need to go nose low on this one. Otherwise it'll take a long time to get up to airspeed, so sound like we're on a strafing run. Here we go. 190, 200, take a deep breath. Here comes the pull. Coming over the top. Right here, we stop pulling back, and then we just go all the way left, some left rudder. We want to keep the nose down, right there. Hold the nose down. You have the airplane. 45-degree nose down. Take a deep breath, start pulling back. Release some back pressure. Not quite. There you go. Not quite yet, not quite yet. Roll all the way to the left. There you go. Stop. And recover.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Wasn't too bad.
Yeah,
Let's do a left turn. it's time for us to start heading back. You want to do one more?
Yep.
Okay, I have the airplane.
Yep.
This will be a hesitation roll. We'll do that on the way back in, just as we exit the aerobatic area. A 4-point hesitation roll. It'll be just like that aileron roll, only it's going to be pretty rapid fire. It's going to happen really quick as we do this. We stop every 90 degrees. We'll go to 180. We're going to raise that nose up. And here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, you have the airplane. We want to keep the nose down to 180. There we go, raise that nose. Stop the pole, all the way to the left, all the way over. And stop, one more time. 2, 3, 4. Not too bad.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
We're out of the aerobatic area. Now keep the descent going. We're going to go down to 1,500 feet. And let's do a little bit of a right turn.
Bravo, war runway 24, if you're going over to your flight, contact ground point 7.
All right, right turn to line up with the runway.
Take a right on Bravo and ground point 7. See you in a little bit. 1 November Delta.
Roger. 2 down over 1,000 approve your traffic to follow, turn base to final, now wings up.
Traffic inside down to 1,000, Texan 2.
And right brake, number 2, clear to land.
Right brake. Number 2, clear to land, 15, Texan 2. Okay, lower the nose, let's descend to 1,000 feet. There's a guy on short final down there, we're number 2 behind him.
Yep.
Yep, straight ahead, there we go. Perfect position to shoot him down. Okay, right turn. I'm going to start reducing power to 20 inches of manifold pressure. We're going to start decelerating. There we go.
Cherokee 636 Foxtrot.
Go ahead and raise the nose just a little bit. Raise the nose. There we go.
Right, sir, keep it rolling, turn left on Echo. That's your first left pass across the runway.
Keep the turn going. We're just going to go right to the downwind. Keep it going.
Point 7.
Keep it going.
Ground point 7 left to Echo. 6 Tango, thanks a lot.
And you'll be looking at Kissimmee Jet. Just contact ground point 7 when you're clear on the taxiway Echo.
Landing gear's coming down.
Okay, buddy.
I'm going to help with the trim here. Landing gear down and lock right, down and lock left.
Must be boring over Melbourne, huh?
Keep the turn going. We're going to reduce power, maintain altitude. Go ahead and level off here for a second. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. That's good. Here comes the flaps. Turn back towards the runway. Lower the nose. We're going to maintain a 110. Relax your grip on the stick. Lower the nose. There we go. Landing gear's down and lock. Flaps are down. Trim is set. Mixture. Full rich.
Kissimmee Tower.
Propeller full forward before landing checklist is complete.
Ready for departure.
Keep it going around. A little more to the right. That's okay if we steepen up. All right, level the wings here. We'll line up with the runway. Keep the nose down. Don't pull back yet. Level the wings. Power's idle. And start raising the nose for the flare very slowly. Hold it. No more. No more. Let the airplane settle. Now start raising it. Hold it off. All right, I have the airplane.
Okay.
Nice
Texan
job.
2, right turn on Bravo, War 24, and contact ground point 7.
Texan 2, thanks.
Kissimmee Tower, 80 Foxtrot Tango is over Water Tower,